Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I take care of her natural hair under those long braids. Now if you are interested to see how I make sure that I still take care of her natural hair under those long braids, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. One thing I always do is to do a pre-poo on her hair. Even though she has braids, I always make sure that I will always do a pre-poo every week or every 2 weeks. And today I will be using aloe vera gel. I love using aloe vera gel on natural hair or on any hair because aloe vera gel contains minerals and ingredients that can strengthen our hair. After cutting the aloe vera leaf into small portions, I will let it sit into a cold water for a few minutes, just making sure that it is very clean. Now I'm going to extract the aloe vera gel. Another reason I like to use aloe vera gel on the scalp because aloe vera gel contains enzymes that can break down excessive oil our scalp may have. Sometimes when our scalp has so much oil, it can clog the pores of our scalp, which may cause some bumps on our scalp. So this is why I like to use aloe vera gel on the scalp. After extracting all the gel, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes just to make sure that all the gel is transferred into my bowl. Now I can transfer this into different applicator bottles. The reason I made it this way and I didn't blend them is because I wanted this to be in gel forms. If you don't want this in gel form, you can always let it sit for longer than 10 minutes. It will turn into a liquid form, or you can always blend it. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing the like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Now that I have all my aloe vera gel ready, I'm going to apply this on her scalp. Another reason for using aloe vera gel on our scalp is that aloe vera gel helps with itchiness, especially that she had these braids for a few weeks now. Her hair might be a little bit itchy, so putting aloe vera gel on her hair might help with the itchiness. I always start by putting the aloe vera gel on her scalp first because I want to make sure that I touch every part of her scalp. Then I will put all over her hair.
Coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, get there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am.
After putting the aloe vera gel all over her hair, I'm going to cover her hair and let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. Sometimes I let her sit with it until the next day. Now that she had this on her hair for a long time, I'm going to rinse her hair out and continue with our regular wash day routine. And this is how I make sure that her hair under those braids stay clean and her hair under those braids stay growing, stay hydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video. And why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on next video. Bye.
I wanna be